Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going down a little bit lower as well, not much lower, but at the moment we have no signal that we are reversing to the upside. Yeah, there isn't one. So in the earlier video today we talked about this triangle pattern that would rather suggest a trend continuation, and indeed we broke out of the triangle to the downside. This is often the case with these triangles. They are continuation patterns, and however that messed up a little bit the wave count. It's not a major problem. Yeah, we can still count this as wave 1, and it would just simply be an extension to the last wave here of the wave 1. And to be honest, not much has happened. The thing is, from the previous low already here, we could count 5 waves as complete. So from this point in time, we have been ready for a reversal to the upside. Does it need to happen straight away? No. But as I said in the previous video, if you have 5 waves complete, you need to be ready that the price could break out. And I gave you the trend line as a breakout point. Now it didn't go above it. So what do you have to expect? You have to expect trend continuation. Yeah, when the trend isn't broken, you expect trend continuation. We can, however, see here a bullish divergence quite clearly on the 1-hour chart. That would suggest that the current move down is getting exhausted. You also have a slight bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart. So in my opinion, it is getting close to an end here. Unless we have a very exotic or very short wave 2 here, because this is possible, but it would be very, very short. Don't really like that idea. So there is a possibility, and I go to the 1-hour chart for that, there is a possibility to count all of this from here as a wave 1, in fact, yeah, then this here as an A, B, C, expanded, running flat, yeah. But this pattern for me would really only become the primary expectation if we go below 19k. Now if this happens, then we are already in the wave 3. If you have watched my Ethereum video, then you will recognize this pattern there as well. Similar one at least. Yeah, with Ethereum we talked about here in the blue wave count about something similar, where we say, all right, we might already be in the 3rd wave, but I explain all of that in the in the Ethereum video, and we come down very fast. So this is basically, you could maybe you can call it a capitulation pattern, yeah, because if we really go down without a strong wave 2 retracement down straight away, then this all could end quite quickly, because the wave 3 is normally the strongest wave, the wave 4 is normally a shallow retracement, and the wave 5 down. We'll see, but that would then finish off a wave 3, then we'll have a 4 up and a 5 down. So if we really lose here the 19k level, and if we are in the wave 3 in white off the wave 3, then the next move down should be a very, very strong sell-off, very strong. Yeah, you will see that, and then you'll know this was a wave 3 over wave 3. But yeah, things are far away from certain that we are going down. So again, we are holding the 19.4k level. I did mention now in a few videos, as long as we hold 19.4k, it is first of all very much likely that we move up in a wave 2. So I mean, yeah, no, let me explain. That we move up in a wave 2. And even a bullish scenario is still possible if we hold above 19.4k. So what would need to happen for the bullish scenario to become more likely? That would be basically a breakout pattern with new highs, maybe in the region of 23 to 25k. This is a scenario where we would now need to move above 22.1k, because at that level the wave 2 will get very unlikely. But to make that happen, we need a lot of bullish movement. And is it likely? No. It's improbable. Okay, so I'm rather focused on the downside. The most bullish thing that I can see here is a strong wave 2 retracement. That would be good. Then I would take some profits. If not, I have to just take the hit. Yeah, because I did accumulate here around 20k, which is also long term anyway a good price. Yeah. What else? I think this is sort of the key scenario, maybe to remind you here of the retracement levels for the wave 2. So we'd be looking here at something around 20,830 as a minimum, and the maximum is 22.1k. Anywhere in here between. The 50% FIB level is an ideal target at 21.2k and the 61.8 at 21.6k, and after that I would ideally expect the move down. As I said, if we drop below 19k, I think we're going to go down straight away. And yeah, how can we make this count still work for the wave 2 if we say the low was in here? Well, it would just simply be an A, B, C. Yeah, an expanded flat pattern. That is how we could make it work with this additional low. But ideally we don't want to see another low now. Ideally we want to see the move up now in a wave 2. Okay, so be ready here. And again, if we lose the intraday low at 19,500, we've got a bit of support at 19,400, then 19,000, and if we lose this, I think, yeah, we're coming down. Can we calculate a target for the wave 3? Not really yet, because I have my doubts. If this was already a wave 2, that would be very, very shallow. So I'd rather let it unfold now. And I gave you the key levels here that are relevant. And yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.